all packed up and headed out for day 11. I just finished my shower. I wanted to mention, thank you very much for the Kindness Hotel for this little washlet here. I live in Southeast Asia and they always have a washlet, or they have a hose with a sprayer, bum gun, ass blaster, whatever you want to call it. When I go to the US, I feel like such a heathen because they use toilet paper. And in Taiwan, they use tissues, which makes it worse than toilet paper. Heading out of Kaoshiung, down the coast. Here we go. We'll see how this works out. No problem. Right up here on the second floor is one of the places I visited last night. They had Australia live music on the second floor. We went to the roof and no one was there. Had a couple of San Miguel's, Uncle Bob. Park halfway in the middle of the road. There's no room in their driveway for them to park. Rails to trails in Kaohsiung.
Harbin.
Harvey.
Yeah, Harbin.
Where in? Huh?
Then.
Where in Philippines?
Me in Samar. Me Pampanga. You know Pampanga? I follow your page.
Okay.
Flip-flop navigator.
Yes.
Thank you.
See you.
Okay.
Take care. Bye-bye. 30 kilometers in, I think I'm finally leaving Kaohsiung. Okay. Got some chicken, they warmed it up for me. What's your name?
I'm Kevin
From Pingtung.
Pingtung. Yeah,
Pingtung.
yeah. It because your face is so impressive. That's why I stopped.
Okay, thank you for stopping.
Would you mind I taking a picture with you?
Yeah, please.
I will put it down on my FB.
Cheers.
Yeah.
All right, take care.
You too.
Vietnam, right next door. I could have got a banh mi. Becoming my happy place. Riding my bike in nature, on the ocean. Got this from Ray, all natural, yogi surf. The cold climate's the other one, so this must be the hot climate. I need it on my face. This is my white face yogi surf sunscreen. Beautiful Taiwan blue, teal, green. When this guy starts following me, it's time to call it a night. That beautiful beach. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's today's holiday. You can see first we provide this no skating your room. You can see,
Okay.
and our checkout time is 11.
Not too shabby for turning up on a holiday weekend on Saturday night at 5 p.m. and sitting outside on my phone. They walk out and say, we have a room available. Ocean view right here across from the beach. I'll take it. Day number 11 is looking pretty good. My friends are here. We have dinner reservations at 8 p.m. I'm gonna go jump in that ocean. After 108 kilometers, a jump in the ocean is required. Oh, it's cool. This is the South China Sea. This is the Philippine Sea. This is my wave right here. A little body surfing wave and then we're good. Just what the doctor ordered. My first jump in the ocean in Taiwan. on this bike trip. Why did it take till day 11? It hasn't been warm. It's you. Day 11's coastal ride came to 108 kilometers of gentle rolling hills, bringing my trip total to over 600 kilometers. A couple of my hash house harrier friends who are living in Kaoshiung now happened to be on the same beach for the night, so we hit the beach bar for a bit, then got some Italian salmon cream pasta and red wine for dinner, and called it a night. Stay tuned for day 12 when I make it to the southernmost point of Taiwan, then past my halfway point for the trip as I head up the east coast towards Taipei.